Candy from the Squid Games. It really is super easy. All you're going to need is a fourth cup of sugar, less than 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, some cooking oil, probably a brush, a non-stick flat surface to put the Delgona on, and then something to press it down, such as a plate, a pot, or something like this glass measuring cup here. Also, get a flat scraping tool, such as this metal spatula, and oil it down. First, do your prep work. Take the vegetable oil and coat your surface that you're going to put the Delgona on. Then coat the surface of the thing that you're going to press the Delgona down with. Get out a cookie cutter, such as the triangle, circle, square, or the umbrella. I'm going to use a cowboy boot. Prior to contrary belief, you can use an induction stove. You do not have to have a gas stove. Put the fourth cup of sugar in a non-stick pan on top of the stove. Turn the stove on high. As soon as you see the sugar start to melt and turn into liquid, turn the heat down to medium-low, constantly stirring. Take the skillet off the stove once in a while stirring to make sure that it doesn't brown up and burn the sugar. As soon as the sugar is melted, put the almost 1/8 teaspoon in with the melted sugar in the pan. Keep stirring until it turns this rich crema color that you see before you. Let it cool off and thicken a few seconds. Then pour it in a mound on top of your greased non-stick flat surface. We'll let it set for about 30 seconds until the top has had a little time to cool down. Next, take your flattening tool, such as my large glass measuring cup, and then smash it down right in the middle. If the candy sticks to your smashing tool, grab the flat oiled down spatula and just pry it off. There we go. Now, wait another 30 seconds. Then press your cookie cutter firmly into the Delgona Candy. Don't be afraid to be a little forceful or give it a little up tap. Voila! Delgona Candy from the Squid Games. You can play a game with your Delgona Candy. Take a needle or toothpick and try to get the shape out without breaking it. Or we could do it like he did in the movie and lick it like an owl licks a Tootsie Pop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, uh-oh.
My Candy, you failed. You know past Squid Games.